TR here. This video will help you successfully complete the assignment Reframing Life Events. Notice the two guiding questions. How can I motivate myself to be successful? What strategies can I use to be confident and engaged in learning, working, and living? Scrolling down the content page, you'll see the topic, Perceptions Influence Outcomes. Carefully read this information. Reframing, take a look at the cycle. Makes a lot of sense. So we keep scrolling down. Read this study. It tells you a lot about how your attitude and how you reframe your thinking changes your actual performance. Moving forward to the second content page, which is the assignment page, carefully read the information found in this section. Changing the cycle changes the results. Compare and contrast cycles. Read this information. The strength-based cycle, the deficit-based cycle, points to consider, and the assignment. It says, please download the full assignment and exemplar here. So click on this link, and this PDF will open up, and I'll just click and open it. And it talks about reframing life events assignment. Carefully read this assignment. This tells you what you'll need to do, and you'll see exemplars of how to do these strength-based and deficit-based cycles. Back to the content page. Template. I have created a template for you, which will make your life a lot easier. So all you have to do is read the information wherever you see the dots, fill in the dots with your information, more dots, more information. To get full marks, you want to give substantial detail, 3+ sentences. Take a look at these 4 sections and try to work this to the best of your ability. Now here, underneath it, I've created these cycles for you. Here's the strength-based cycle and the deficit-based cycle. All you need to do is, when you want to put text in this, just click and you'll get the text box appearing. Back to our content. The marking rubric is here. You can click on this link here and the rubric will appear as is. The rubric, if you want full marks, if you want to be super successful with this assignment, carefully read the rubric, because this is how I mark your assignment. Look at all the information that I provide for you, and this tells you how I look at and give you grades for your assignment. Back to the content page. Now, once you've completed your assignment, you're going to upload your document to the assignments, which is this link here in the navigation menu bar. Once you open that page, you will go to the assignment submitting folders page and then scroll down until you find the assignment Reframing Life Events link, and you upload the document in here. Be sure to give me a .doc, as I cannot open any Mac documents, .key, or any documents that have Mac extensions. If you have any questions or concerns, again, as always, please use your private discussions to address whatever issues you're having, and I'm always happy to help. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye now.